Imagine embarking on a journey where luxury meets innovation on the open road. The 2025 Volvo Camper Motorhome is designed to redefine your travel experiences, blending Scandinavian elegance with cutting-edge technology. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious interior that exudes modernity. The open floor plan is accentuated by high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Large panoramic windows not only flood the space with natural light but also offer breathtaking views of your surroundings, making every journey a visual delight. The living area is thoughtfully designed to provide both comfort and functionality. Plush seating arrangements invite you to relax, while the state-of-the-art entertainment system ensures you're always connected to your favorite media. Whether you're unwinding after a day of exploration or hosting friends, this space adapts to your needs effortlessly. Culinary enthusiasts will find the kitchen a dream come true. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop and a stainless steel double-door refrigerator, meal preparation becomes an enjoyable part of your travel routine. Ample storage and counter space ensure that you have everything you need to create gourmet dishes on the go. When it's time to rest, the bedroom offers a sanctuary of tranquility. A king-sized bed with premium bedding promises restful nights, while smart storage solutions keep your belongings organized. The ambience is enhanced by subtle lighting and a serene color palette, creating a perfect retreat after a day's adventure. The bathroom doesn't compromise on luxury either. Featuring a spacious shower with a glass door, a porcelain toilet, and a stylish vanity, it brings the comforts of a high-end spa to the road. Modern fixtures and an on-demand water heater ensure that your daily routines are both convenient and indulgent. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Camper Motorhome boasts impressive performance. Powered by a robust engine, it offers a smooth and responsive drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Advanced safety features, including traction control and a comprehensive camera system, provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the joy of the journey. One of the standout features of this motorhome is its commitment to sustainability. Volvo has integrated eco-friendly technologies, such as solar panels and energy-efficient appliances, reducing your carbon footprint without compromising on comfort or convenience. This forward-thinking approach ensures that your adventures are both enjoyable and environmentally responsible. Storage is often a concern for travelers, but the 2025 Volvo Camper Motorhome addresses this with ingenuity. Cleverly designed compartments and ample exterior storage spaces mean that all your gear, from outdoor equipment to personal items, has a dedicated PLA.